Hey guys, here's a tutorial on how to do a Sun Salutation A, Surya Namaskar. Coming to stand in front of your mat. Connecting feet to the ground, bringing everything in, broad through the collarbones, standing tall, Tadasana or Stamastitihi, ready pose. Inhaling, reaching up. Exhaling, folding forward. Half lift, bend the knees, plant the hands, step back. Chaturanga lower. Inhale, open the heart, little baby cobra to start. Exhale, curling the toes, downward facing dog. Breathe. Feel free to bend the knees or walk it out, especially as you're warming up. Bringing one foot forward, the other foot joins. Inhale, half up. Exhale and fold. Inhale, reach for the sky. Hands to your heart. Counting through the 9 poses. Inhaling 1. Exhaling 2. Half lift 3. Plant the hands. Exhale 4. 5. Lifting the heart. 6. Downward facing dog. 5 breaths here. Breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking forward, stepping forward. Half lift, 7, 8, full fold, 9, reach for the sky. Hands back to the heart. Inhale up. Exhaling, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back, chaturanga. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Pause here and breathe. Letting the body open. Of course, if you'd rather be down with your knees on the ground in puppy pose or child's pose, go for those variations. One more breath. Looking forward, stepping forward. Inhale, half up. Exhale and fold. Reach for the sky. Hands to heart. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Half up, number 3. Exhaling all the way to there. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. 6. And breathe. Looking forward after the last exhale. Stepping forward, inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold, number 8. Inhale, reach to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart.